Have you ever imagined a world where billion-dollar business deals happen, not between CEOs, but between AI agents? Where contracts are negotiated, signed, and executed entirely by artificial intelligence? Well, that world isn't in the future anymore. It's arriving faster than anyone expected. 2026 might be the year when AI agents start making $100 million deals across industries like SaaS, fintech, real estate, and enterprise automation. And the big question is, are SaaS founders ready for it? Because if you're building a SaaS product or planning to start one, what's coming next could completely change how you run, scale, and even sell your business. So, let's dive deep. In this video, we'll explore what AI agents really are, how they're already changing business models, what $100 million AI-driven deals could look like, and how SaaS founders can prepare to survive and thrive in this new era. Stay with me till the end, because the founders who understand this shift early will lead the next AI gold rush. The rise of AI agents. So first, what exactly is an AI agent? Think of it as a smart digital employee that can reason, plan, and take autonomous actions. Unlike chatbots, which only respond to commands, AI agents can set their own goals, make decisions, and execute complex workflows. They can read data, access APIs, send emails, negotiate contracts, manage projects, and even collaborate with other AI agents. They're powered by the latest generation of large multimodal models like GPT-5, Claude 3.5, Gemini 2, and xAI's Grok 2. But what's new in 2026 is autonomy. These agents aren't waiting for human prompts. They're thinking, planning, and executing in real time. Imagine this: you run a SaaS company. An AI agent handles your customer onboarding, talks to investors, manages billing, and sends product updates without you writing a single line of code or email. Sounds wild, right? It's happening already in prototypes. AI agents are already closing deals. Let's talk about what's real, not science fiction. In 2025, several startups began experimenting with autonomous negotiation AI. One notable example, a platform called Lumine AI, helped enterprise clients automate supplier contracts using large language models. Their agents analyzed price data, vendor reliability, and legal constraints, and then negotiated automatically through emails and APIs. The result? Deals closed 70% faster with 40% lower operational costs. In finance, Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs have been testing internal AI agents that evaluate investment opportunities and negotiate terms based on data-driven reasoning. And in SaaS, early-stage founders are already building tools that can manage customer acquisition and client relationships using AI-driven outreach. By 2026, experts predict that some enterprise contracts, potentially worth $100 million or more, could be negotiated, validated, and executed autonomously. With human oversight, of course, but the heavy lifting done by AI, how it actually works. Let's break down how an AI agent can make business decisions at this scale. It starts with goal-driven architecture. Unlike traditional automation scripts, AI agents are designed with objectives. For example, find the best enterprise SaaS vendor for cloud storage under $1 million. Then, they use multiple modules to achieve that. Planning module breaks down the task into smaller goals. Research module scrapes and summarizes data. Reasoning engine evaluates trade-offs and risks. Action module executes API calls, sends messages, or triggers workflows. And here's where it gets crazy. These agents can now collaborate. One AI agent can handle legal terms. Another handles finance. A third reviews risk. They communicate through natural language in real time to come to a decision. This is what researchers call agentic systems. And it's the backbone of the $100 million plus AI-driven economy we're heading into. The AI deal ecosystem, what's coming? What does a $100 million AI agent deal even look like? Picture this. A global enterprise wants to license a cloud SaaS product. Instead of weeks of meetings, an AI procurement agent sends requests to multiple SaaS vendors, AI sales agents. The agents compare product features, analyze pricing tiers, evaluate API performance, review terms of service, and negotiate a contract autonomously. Once the best option is chosen, the AI legal agent drafts the contract. The finance agent executes payment through a blockchain escrow system. The compliance agent ensures data policies are followed, and the deal is complete in minutes. No calls, no meetings, no red tape. Just pure autonomous efficiency. This is where 2026 is headed. The first AI to AI enterprise transactions are already being tested in pilot programs across the US, Japan, and Europe. Why SaaS founders need to pay attention now? Here's the part that SaaS founders can't ignore. If AI agents can discover, negotiate, and onboard SaaS products, it means your customers in the future might be AIs, not humans. Think about it. If an AI procurement system is choosing tools for an enterprise, it doesn't care about emotional marketing. It cares about data, performance, uptime, API reliability, and ROI. That means founders need to start optimizing their products for AI decision makers. Your SaaS should have transparent API documentation, machine-readable pricing structures, automated onboarding flows, clear security and compliance signals. Because if your competitor's product is easier for AI systems to analyze, they'll win the deal. This is the new frontier, SaaS for AI buyers. How $100 million AI deals will impact the market. Here's what's going to happen when AI starts making enterprise-scale decisions. Speed will redefine competition. AI can negotiate deals in minutes, not months. That means the sales cycle in SaaS will shrink dramatically. Data transparency will be the new marketing. Founders want to just convince humans. They'll have to convince data-driven AI agents that their metrics outperform others. Pricing will stabilize through logic. AI agents will compare value across the market instantly, leading to more fair, performance-based pricing models. The best integrations will dominate. If your SaaS connects seamlessly with other systems, AI agents will prioritize you automatically. Micro SaaS will go enterprise. Even tiny one-person startups could close massive AI-driven contracts because the agents want to care how big you are, only how effective your software is. This is both exciting and terrifying, depending on how prepared you are. The tools powering this revolution. Let's talk about the real stack behind AI agent-driven SaaS. The foundation comes from autonomous frameworks like AutoGPT and BabyAGI for self-goal setting, LangGraph and Crew AI for multi-agent collaboration, OpenAI o1 models and Claude 3.5 Opus for reasoning, Gemini 2.0 for cross-modal perception, text, image, video, data. For transactions, they use smart contracts and blockchain-based APIs. For validation, zero-knowledge proofs ensure accuracy without compromising data privacy. And for execution, cloud providers like Azure and Google Cloud Vertex AI are integrating agentic workflows at enterprise scale. The result? A self-operating digital ecosystem where software interacts with software and humans just monitor the results. Regulation, trust, and human oversight, of course, not everyone's celebrating. Regulators are watching closely. The question is, if an AI agent negotiates a $100 million deal, who's legally responsible? The developer? The company that deployed it? Or the AI system itself? Governments and organizations like the OECD and EU AI Act are already drafting frameworks for AI accountability in autonomous decision-making. We'll likely see human-in-the-loop verification, where every AI contract above a certain threshold requires human approval before execution. But over time, as trust builds and systems become auditable, automation will increase. That's why ethical AI, explainability, and compliance-first design will become key to winning big in the AI economy. How SaaS founders can prepare. Alright, so what can you actually do right now to be ready for this future? Here's a roadmap for founders. Integrate AI early. Start experimenting with agents in your workflow. Use OpenAI Assistant's API or Crew AI to build internal automation first. Build machine-readable systems. Make your product easy for AI to analyze structured pricing. Clean APIs, standardized docs. Focus on trust, transparency, compliance, and data ethics will attract both human and AI buyers. Create AI-first partnerships. Connect with startups and enterprises testing AI agent ecosystems. Being an early integration partner can skyrocket growth. Think global, act fast. AI agents will operate 24/7 across time zones. Build systems that support global scalability and real-time transactions. Founders who build with this mindset want to just survive. They'll dominate the AI-driven SaaS revolution. The big picture, what's coming in 2026? By late 2026, we'll likely see the first AI to AI enterprise contracts signed and executed autonomously, entire SaaS growth funnels managed by AI sales and support agents, AI-led VC funds making investment decisions, autonomous agent ecosystems trading digital services, and an economy partially run by non-human entities. This isn't just evolution, it's a revolution in how business happens. And just like the internet boom, those who adapt early will own the next decade. The question is, are you ready? Outro. AI agents making $100 million plus deals may sound insane today, but in just a year or two, it'll be normal. Businesses that move faster, automate smarter, and design for AI-first customers will win big. So, if you're a SaaS founder, builder, or dreamer, this is your wake-up call. Start integrating Agentic AI now. Because the next generation of wealth, want to be made by people who compete with AI, but by those who build with it. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and comment below what kind of AI agent you'd build for your SaaS. Your idea today might be tomorrow's $100 million startup.